You can also make a money by creating and selling ebooks or digital products. ChatGPT can help you generate content quickly, which you can organize into an ebook and sell on the platforms like Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. Well, ChatGPT can help you to create a ebook from start to end. For example, you can ask ChatGPT in the prompt like, I want to create a ebook on Python programming. So can you guide on this? Let us see the ChatGPT response. So ChatGPT gives a step-by-step process. So define the audience and goals, structure the ebook. So this is the ebook index, and then write chapter by chapter, add exercises and quizzes, design the ebook. And it also provides the tools to design the ebook, and it also provides the instructions to add the cover page and table of contents. So this is how ChatGPT will guide you to write the ebooks. Okay, and then you can also ask ChatGPT to create the content for each topic. For example, write a content for chapter 1, Introduction to Python. Let us see the response of the ChatGPT, and look at here. ChatGPT is generating the content for this chapter 1. Next, you can just copy this content and paste it in your book. Okay, so similarly you can ask ChatGPT to produce the content for all the chapters, and you can just copy the content, review the content and modify the content as per your requirement, and finally just export this content as a ebook and sell that ebook on the Amazon Kindle or the Gumroad platform. Okay, so this is how you can use ChatGPT to create the ebooks.